Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Mayberry Group Limited has advised that Mr. Patrick Batale has been appointed Director and Chief Executive Officer of Mayberry Investments Limited with immediate effect. Mr. Gary Peart, former CEO of Mayberry Investments Limited, has been appointed CEO of Mayberry Group Limited with immediate effect. Mr. Peart has been appointed Chairman of the Board of Mayberry Investments Limited with effect from November 1, 2024. Mr. Christopher Berry and Mr. Conrad Mark Berry will continue in their respective roles of Chairman and Vice Chairman of Mayberry Group Limited and the other group companies. The Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, will host Expo Jamaica 2025 at the National Arena and Indoor Sports Center from April 3 to 6. JMEA anticipates that the trade show will surpass the previous staging's record-breaking 250 exhibitors, 830 buyers from 30 countries, and over 15,000 consumers. Jamaica Promotions Corporation, JAMPRO, a partner of Expo Jamaica, seeks to reinforce Expo Jamaica's mission to serve as Jamaica's central hub for business and investment. President of JAMPRO, Shillette Cox, emphasized the event's significance, stating, "Expo Jamaica is more than a trade show. It is a vital platform to showcase Jamaica's potential as a leading business hub in the Caribbean." So far, 50% of booth spaces have already been sold in just 3 weeks since registration opened. As such, JMEA encourages businesses to secure their spots quickly. Fewer Jamaican households are receiving remittances. This is according to the findings of the third quarter Business and Consumer Confidence Survey conducted by Market Research Services. Executive Chairman Don Anderson says 27% of households are receiving remittances compared with a high of 36% 13 years ago. Mr. Anderson says the dip in remittances has implications for people trying to make ends meet. The survey data is consistent with information released by the Bank of Jamaica, which shows that remittances accounted for only 17.4% of gross domestic product last year, compared with 24% in 2021. During trading for the period of October 16, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Fiberglass manufacturer and distributor Jamaica Fiberglass Producers Limited with 3,174,437 units representing 27.82% of the market volume in terms of sales. Advertising agency One Great Studio Company Limited with 1,300,722 units represents 11.4% of the market volume in terms of sales. Online education platform Edufocal Limited with 956,757 units represent 8.38% of the market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On October 16, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $69.59 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $76.21 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold US dollar for $159.19 and bought US dollars for $157.97. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.22, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $4.32 from transactions at the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $117.70 and bought for $113.38. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $1.46, selling it for $207 $206.86 and buying it for $206.40. For our credit report tip of the day, debt can feel overwhelming, especially for creatives, entrepreneurs, and the self-employed. The stress of fluctuating income, rising inflation, and the ever-increasing cost of living can make it seem impossible to make progress. To add to the challenge, interest rates and payments are higher than ever, while sales in many industries are down. If you are stuck in this place, here are practical steps you can take to boost your credit worthiness. First, cut non-essential expenses. Evaluate where you can trim unnecessary expenses, at least temporarily. Redirect those funds towards your debt payments. Second, automate your payments. Set up automatic payments to avoid missed due dates, which can lead to late fees and a damaged credit score. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.